In this video, I will be guiding you through how to add a folder to AOL Mail. If you want to add a new folder on AOL Mail account, then follow the quick steps I'm going to show you. The first thing to do is open up a web browser and log into AOL Mail account. In the URL box, type in mail.aol.com and search. Enter your credentials if necessary and log into your mail account. And once you're inside, from the left-hand side menu of the screen, you will see a list of existing folders like Inbox, Unread, Starred, and so on. Scroll down to the bottom of the folders list and click on New Folder. Now, given a name to your folder, you can type in any name that you want. I'm just going to give it Folder 1 for now. And once you are done, you will be able to create a new folder on AOL Mail. You can click on it and click on Rename Folder if you ever want to rename it. You can also create a subfolder for your new folder or make any kind of edits for it. You can now organize your emails by moving them into this folder. Simply go ahead and find the email you'd like to move to the new folder and then click on the email. Once you select the email, click on Move at the top and select your new folder or the subfolder that you just created, and this will now be able to move the certain email to your new folder. So that was how you can easily add folders to AOL Mail. Doing this will help you organize your emails and keep your inbox neat and tidy. So that's how easily you can do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.